Friends, etong video na to, no, this is a first of 3 videos na ina-explain sa inyo how yung health insurance works here in the Philippines. No? Before, na-mention ko sa inyo na yung components nga nun is yun na, no? Yung PhilHealth, yung HMO, and yung non-HMO health plans na typically pinoprovide ng mga life insurers. No? So for this first video, ayun na nga, based sa title, How PhilHealth Works. No? So PhilHealth works, katulad din siya ng HMO where nare-reflect dun sa hospital bill mo yung yung benefit na, okay, as long as you make a claim nga, okay. Tapos meron din siyang yung accredited providers or hospitals and clinics. Not so much napansin ko yung mga doktor, okay. Pero ayun, meron din yung accredited clinics and providers / hospitals, no. So yung benefits ng ng PhilHealth, mga friends, marami yan actually. Thankfully, it's in their website, okay? Pero it's categorized into 4 benefits. Napansin ko is outpatient, yung inpatient, tapos yung Z, which is parang yung Z benefits are like the critical illnesses, o yung mga illnesses na nakakamatay, and of course, yung mahal din i-treat. Tapos yung pang-apat nun is yung SDG benefits, okay? SDG pala stands for Sustainable Development Goals. Hindi ko lang bakit SDG yung tawag ng PhilHealth doon. Pero napansin ko doon, mga friends, doon kasama yung animal bite benefit, okay? Yeah, yun yung 4 na parang general categories of benefits that PhilHealth provides, no? Friends, i-search nyo sa Google, okay? PhilHealth benefits. First result yata yung makita nyo Tapos yun, basahin nyo maigi, okay? Tapos nandun din yung maximum amount that PhilHealth will give, for a particular event or illness or case. Alright, mga friends? Yung maganda sa PhilHealth actually, mga friends, dahil ito nga yung government subsidized, is fixed yung rate, okay? So maximum nga is 5% of your income, okay? Tapos kung ikay may salary, so yung minimum na salary that they'll consider is like 10,000 per month, tapos yung max is yung 90,000, okay? Pero pag ikay kuha naman, I guess pag beyond na doon, parang yun talaga yung baseline nun, 5% of your income, mga friends, no? Tapos children under the age of 21, they are considered dependents, mga friends, no? Tapos yung mga senior citizens naman, of course 60 years old and above, na sila, parang free na yung coverage nila ba. So matic na yun pag na-confine sila, tas PhilHealth in a PhilHealth accredited na clinic or hospital, matic na yun, meron silang benefit. Alright? Tapos yun din palang mga, on top of that, benefits for senior citizens, yung naka 100 plus contributions ba yun in their parang previous contributions. Pag naka 120 yata yun, friends, if I remember correctly, no, after nun lifetime member na sila. Alright, mga friends. Tapos eto ng PhilHealth, okay, you can register at a PhilHealth branch, no. Tapos doon pwede mo rin i-declare sino yung mga dependents mo, okay. Tapos basically you apply, no. Hindi ko maalala kung kasama na ba sa national ID, parang hindi. Pero dati bibigyan ka ng card, okay. Tapos yun nasa nasa card na yun, nandun din yung PhilHealth number mo, no. So that is how PhilHealth works, mga friends, no. Katulad din siya ng HMO where meron kang accredited clinics and hospitals. Tapos if you make a claim, typically may PhilHealth din sa hospital. Tapos i-compute ka agad nila yun, i-include nila sa hospital bill mo, tapos makita mo yun, nag-reflect na doon. Alright, mga friends, so puntahan yung website ulit, mga friends, para makita nyo yung benefits. Basahin nyo maigi. Alright, mga friends. Ano ba? So yun. Tapos yung the age it covers, parang basically walang limit, okay. So that is how PhilHealth works, mga friends, no. Alam ko medyo contentious ngayon yung PhilHealth kasi recently nga may mga nababalita, di ba? Yung ano yun? Yung what is supposedly 10%, okay? Yung Supreme Court judgment siya, basta judge siya, nabalita siya eh. Yung bigay ng PhilHealth sa kanya was like less than 5% lang out of his like 7 million hospital bill. So, yeah, that's a bit of a tawag ito, touchy topic. Alright mga friends. Pero yeah, I hope may na-learn kayo, no? Sa video na to, mga friends. Alright, so that is how PhilHealth works. As always, mga friends, you know, always do your research pag mga ganito, okay? Yeah, ayun lang mga friends. Subscribe or follow my page, no? And see you on the next one.